Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, now we will continue our three-storied building modeling in Etabs, Prota structure, Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis, Tekla Structural Designer, and Staad Pro. So let's start. We have chosen some column sections preliminarily to model in our programs. We have selected these column sections preliminarily. This is not the final selected sections. We will decide the section size according to our analysis and design results. So now we will model columns first in Etabs. First go to define material properties. Here add new material. As we have started with United Kingdom or BS code, we can select Europe, concrete. Here for 30 MPa concrete we can choose this one, C30 by 37. Click on OK. Here we can check the property 30 MPa. Click on OK. Add new material. For river properties we can go to Indian region, because here in river we will get high yield strength deformed grade 415 MPa. Click on this 415 MPa. This one used in this region. In Europe, if we go to Europe river, there is no standard rivers. That's why I have selected this one, Indian standard. Click on OK. Now go to define section properties, frame section. Here some predefined standard sections are available. We have to delete this because we don't want to search our section inside this long list. So delete multiple properties, this okay. There will be one section. We will define one section, then we will delete this one also. Add new property, C20 by 20, 200 millimeter by 200 millimeter. Here the concrete grade, this one. Then modify or show river. Design type column, and here we will use clear cover 30 millimeter as a width of column is 20 centimeter. So if we provide 40 millimeter clear cover, then the rivers will be very congested. And other things we don't need to change because this will be designed. Click on OK. Click on OK. This one we can delete now. Add copy of property. We can copy this one, this name, so that every time we don't need to provide full new name. Add copy of property. Here 20 by 40, depth 400. Here all the things will be same. Here you can see 30 millimeter clear cover. Other things, here we have forgot to change our river strength. Click on OK. OK. Here also we'll change this one. Click on OK. OK. Now add copy 20 by 50. OK. Add copy 20 by 60. Click on OK. Add copy. Control V 20 by 70. click on OK. We can rename our story labels also. For example, plain beam, GF roof, 1F roof, and last one is roof. Click on OK. In plain beam level, we will start our column modeling. Here we can see our section. Here in left side you will get the modeling option, that means quick tools. This one quick draw column, this one. Now here we can select our properties. Here 2020 section we can put in 2 and Z grid option 2Z. So here J2, here G2. Here we will put 20 by 20 column. Now we will select 20 by 40. Here 20 by 40. Here will be 20 by 40. Here 11M 20 by 40, and here also 11F 20 by 40. Then here 3L, here L3. Okay. Now this one is 1E and 1A, 1E, 1A. So 20 by 40 finished. Now we will select 20 by 50. Here 8A. So 8A, because there is unnamed one small grid at 20 cm distance. So this will be 6, another, all other will be increased by step 1. So here we will model after 5, 6, this will be 6, 6A, then 9A, then number 4A. So our column modeling is finished. We can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 number of columns. We will select the columns. Here it will show the number of frame. Here it is showing 21. So one column we missed. So here I can see this is 20 by 50. This one we have missed. So here 13B. Here we can select this one, 20 by 50. Here 13B. So now we have got 22 number of columns. Now we will rotate our columns according to the orientation of our drawing. We will select the columns which are rotated. This one, then these two, then this one, this, then this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, these two, this one also. So these columns are oriented vertically, so we will rotate local axis by 90°. Done. Now save this one. Now we will define our plain beam sections or beam sections. Define section properties, add new property. Here we will write beam B20 by 40, concrete gate 30 MPa, depth will be 400, width 200. Modify or show rebar. This will be beam. These longitudinal bars will be 415 MPa. We will provide 40 mm, 40 mm, because usually for this type of beams 8 mm dia rebar is used for tie bar, and if there is 14 mm dia main bar, then it will be 8 plus 14 divided by 2, that means 8 plus 7, 15. So usually 30 mm clear cover from edge of rebar, and centroid it is coming 15, so you can provide 45 here. 30 plus 15. Click on OK. Okay. Now add copy of property B20 by 50. Click on OK. We can copy those names every time, no need to provide full name. 20 by 60, 20 by 70. Copy. Here hidden beam also there, HB 50 by 40, 500 by 400. Copy this one, click on OK, add copy. This one 100 by 42, so 1000 mm, 420 mm. Sorry, here will be 420, and here width will be 1000 mm. Click on OK. We will check this one also. Depth will be 400. This will be 500. Click on OK. Now go to draw beam. Click on this, then select the beam section 20 by 40. First here we can see P1 and P2 is 20 by 40, so we will model P1 and P2 first. Here number 11 grid. Now 20 by 60. P5 20 by 60. This one we will check the offset from here to here 50, and middle of beam 10 cm, so 60 cm. Replicate. Here we will move this one y direction 0.6 meter like this. Now save this one. Now we can replicate this plinth beam story to ground floor story. This one we will select all the columns and beams, then we will go to replicate option, go to story, ground floor, roof. Okay, now we will go to ground floor roof. Here we will check our beam sections. B1 20 by 40, B2 20 by 50. So here 20 by 50 is okay. B2. Here this section is B6. B6 will be 20 by 70. This one we will change. Now here this one B8. B8 means 80. So this one will be changed. Here this one B8, apply. B2 B8, this one B8, B4 B5, that means B4 60, B5 60, B2 B3, this one 50 50, B6 B7, B6 20 by 70, this one will be 70. This one will be B4, that means 60. Now here this beam will be moved back to the grid here, and this one we will change it to HB1, that means 50 by 40. Here will be hidden beam 2. So here hidden beam 2. In plane beam, this column and this column will be connected. So here in plane beam, these two columns will be connected by B20 by 50 beam section. Okay. Now here we can see the hidden beams by extrude view. These two hidden beam. We may not use this beam 20 by 40. We can use null line, but as we will use 20 by 40 beam in other programs, so here we will keep same as it is. In Etabs we can use null line also. Now we can model our slab. S1, go to this, we will define slab section, modify this one as 13, it's 130 millimeter, concrete properties 30 MPa, and here as this S1, most of the cases it is one way, so first we will choose this one, membrane, use special one way load distribution. Here 130, click on OK, add copy as 13 T, that means 2y, here shell thin, click on OK. Now add copy of S13, S14. Here we can see S16 here, so 160 millimeter S16. Add copy S17 170, click on OK. Slab section definition finished. Now here we can choose the slab section from here to here. Right click, it will draw the slab. Another option also here for rectangular, click on this point, then drag, keep the left of the mouse pressing, then drag to opposite corner like this. Like this. Now select 16 centimeter. Now here this one-way direction will be changed. Here for shell local axis, this one will be 90 degree like this. The one-way direction load distribution will be this side and this side. Now we will not model stair here because some of the other programs we cannot model stair. So here in this area we will model stair. Slab thickness will be 20 centimeter, ST 20, so 200 millimeter. Click on OK. Here select ST20 from here to here. If you want to see modeling of stair, you can search modeling stair very easily in Etabs. You can see there how to model stair in Etabs. So our modeling up to ground floor roof finished in Etabs. Now save this model.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.